Hello, my name is Kristen Kevany, and welcome to my TED Talk. Today I will be discussing deforestation and the ways that you can help. This year already in the Amazon, there have been 3,980 square kilometers of forest destroyed, beating previous records. The forests are the lungs of our planet, and by destroying them, we are killing the earth. Destroying forests leads to an increase of carbon dioxide emissions, which is a leading cause of climate change. Forests also supply food and shelter to many different living creatures. And by killing the trees, we are also killing many plants and animals that call the forest home. But how can you help? We've all heard reduce, reuse, recycle, but there is more we can do. The main causes of deforestation are palm oil, meat, wood product, and paper product production. One way you can help is by looking out for the tick tree logo when shopping for recycled paper products. This logo represents the Forest Stewardship Council, who regulates sustainably sourced paper products. When shopping for palm oil containing products, look out for the RSPO label. This label comes from the Round Table on Sustainable Palm Oil, who regulate products sourced from responsibly produced palm oil. Finally, your diet plays a big role in deforestation. Reducing the amount of meat that you eat every week can make a huge difference. Now, no, I'm not saying to become a vegan, but just cutting out 1 or 2 days every week can have a big impact. Also, there are many new plant-based foods available that are actually really good. I'm looking at you, Impossible Chicken Nuggets. Overall, small changes can make a huge difference. I encourage you to take the steps and make a change. Remember, the trees are alive and they are our key to survive. Thank you.